Today we're diving into the features of the Moen Conway Spot Resist Brushed Nickel Bathroom Tub and Shower Trim Kit. This elegant set includes a square shower head, shower handle, and tub spout, all designed to coordinate seamlessly with other fixtures in the Conway collection. The Spot Resist Nickel finish ensures your bathroom stays looking pristine by resisting fingerprints and water spots. Enjoy full coverage with the 6-inch diameter rain shower head, providing exceptional water flow for a luxurious shower experience. The Posi-Temp valve is a standout feature, maintaining consistent water pressure and temperature even when other water sources in your home are in use. With standard IPS connections, installation is straightforward, and the kit is ADA compliant, meeting the specifications of the Americans with Disabilities Act. Elevate your bathroom experience with the Moen Conway Trim Kit, where style meets functionality in perfect harmony. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.